Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to connect your websites to wecantrack. Let's start by logging into your wecantrack account. In your account, navigate to Data Sources and Websites. Click Add New Website. After adding your website URL, you should be able to find your Google Analytics tracking ID. Our system will automatically fill in the analytics tag. If not, you can add it manually. Select if your website is using WordPress or not. First, we are going to show you the integration for a WordPress website. For this, you can install our WordPress plugin. You can find our plugin by following the link on this page or by searching on your WordPress admin for wecantrack. After you find our plugin, click Install Now. Our WordPress plugin is compatible with popular plugins like Thirsty Affiliates, Pretty Links, Data Feeder, and others. Activate our plugin and go to Settings. Please follow the link to retrieve your wecantrack API key. Copy the API key and paste it in our plugin. After that's done, please click Verify Key. Now, you need to make sure our plugin status is set to Enabled. After that, click Update and Save. Your WordPress website is now connected to your wecantrack account. If you're not using WordPress, please click Add New Website to your account. Fill in your website URL and click Add. Select the option No in the section Website uses WordPress. If you cloak your affiliate links, please follow our guidelines for click tracking and sales attribution. Click Save and Integrate. Now you have to copy our JavaScript tag and paste it in the header of your website. After that's done, your website is successfully connected to your wecantrack account. Please double-check our installation page on our website and our technical documentation in case you're cloaking your affiliate URLs. Thanks for watching and don't miss our other integration videos.